Welcome, faculty and staff, to the Rethinking course design session. Did you know that Lakeland started using D12 in 2011? And at that time, uploading files to D12 was the norm. However, as we move forward, change is essential. Students today want more interactive course content and they want to be able to access material with ease. In this video, I will explain what HTML is and guide you through the significance of using HTML in your courses as a replacement for file uploads. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the benefits of HTML versus files and the necessary information and resources to start incorporating them into your own courses. HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language, which is a formatting system used to display content on the internet. Rather than creating pages with plain HTML, D2L has HTML templates that you can use. Before we get started with the how, let's talk about the why. Because if you're not sure why you want to do something in the first place, then you're not going to be motivated to do it. First are the devices. The primary reason for placing your course content in HTML format is that it's accessible. It's easy for students, any student, to open on any device. With popular formats like Word, PowerPoint, and even PDF, users may require a plugin or software applications to open and view the content. It can be a real struggle trying to read content for courses. Our size. When courses have material in those popular formats, even the size increases in comparison to HTML. To help you see the data difference, let's compare the file sizes from our own environment. Here you can see the difference? HTML takes up a fraction of the space. And if you come at this size difference from a student's perspective, just imagine trying to open a document. You're trying to prep for a test, do an assignment, or just new on campus. You have spotty internet. The page doesn't load. You have no option but to download the course file instead of being able to view it within the system. Another is ReadSpeaker. Another bonus to using HTML is the ReadSpeaker tool. There are many Lakeland students that utilize our ReadSpeaker, and while they can do this within documents, having that content in HTML, the ReadSpeaker pops up and it follows the student as they scroll through the page. And of course, you, the instructor. By using HTML templates for material, you have made it easier for yourself as the instructor to update and maintain that content over time. This means the information your students receive will be more accurate and relevant as you can make changes in response to new developments or feedback. I'm willing to bet most of you have already used HTML within our D12 system. That's right. If you have created an assignment or discussion, you have typed in the HTML or what's known as the Brightspace editor. So now that we've uncovered the importance of using HTML in our courses, let's go check out some material that I've prepared. To display what HTML can look like and how to edit, I want to be able to have something created that each program can use. Every fall, our students attend program and orientation sessions. While these sessions provide valuable information, there is a risk that students may miss or tune out to some of those key points. To ensure that students receive and retain that information, you may want to consider alternative methods of delivering orientation content, such as orientation modules that students can complete at their own pace. By being creative and flexible in our approach, we can help ensure that our students receive the information they need to succeed in your courses. Here, I have a welcome page, an instructor, program, contacts, as well as the course outline and technology readiness. Depending on your preference, you can have the material displayed on the 3 pages, or if you prefer, the 1 page. This orientation information is not to replace the sessions that you go over in person, but to increase awareness to those students that may be struggling those first few weeks with overload. As we check out a page, we can see Read Speaker at the top of the page. Also, let's check out what it would look like for a student on a cell phone. So now let's go check out a Word file. Here's the same information in a Word file. File, when you need to make that change. Rather than clicking Edit HTML and just making your change, you're going to have to edit the original file, re upload it. So over time, it's going to be easier to maintain HTML compared to files, thus keeping your course material as accurate as previously mentioned. If you're interested in using these orientation materials and getting HTML in your courses, please submit a fresh ticket. It's important to note that I recreated these HTML version 3 templates with program specific images. At minimal, you're going to be required to edit the instructor contact page with your own information. There are videos and documentation guides on our D12 SharePoint site to assist you with creating HTML in your courses. If you have any course that you'd like to tackle and make improvements on, let me know. Using templates and replacing course files can be a great start. After this video, I'm going to be doing a live demonstration on how to create a page from scratch using HTML templates.